you said I was going to get paid for this.
All right, Toshi. We're at the Soi Nok waterfalls. A little rainy.
A little bit. Just a little, but looks like it's pretty cool. About to see the waterfall right here, I guess.
Yeah. Nice. That's perfect. Where are you standing?
I'm standing in a waterfall.
I'm on a waterfall. I'm on a waterfall. What are you about to eat?
I have no idea.
It's like rice and
I don't know.
and some water liquid, but doesn't it smells? It smells like it's alcohol. Like it's been soaking in like vodka. How do I? Is it delicious, Toshi? What does it taste like, Doji?
It tastes like rice soaking in alcohol. It's sweet though.
Sweet?
It has a burn.
What type of vodka? What type of alcohol? Is it vodka or is it just a spirit?
Yeah. It like has a burn like when it goes down. What the hell is this?
I don't know. Churai.
Cow mak.
Cow mak?